Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the shock absorber of your car, in this case a Suzuki Swift, by your own at home. First step, you have 4 shock absorber. Each shock absorber is built at the wheel, and now let's start with the left front wheel. We are pushing the vehicle down, and if the shock absorber absorbs it immediately and fast, your shock absorber is working good. If the shock absorber gives you a smooth comeback, so smooth, little bit smooth, this is the first fact, if that your shock absorber is broken. But there's more we can try to check. Go inside and have a look at the shock absorber itself. In the center of this video you can see the shock absorber, and if they are leaking some oil out, you are able to see that the shock absorber is damaged. Also, you can go and have a look for the spring. The spring is a part of your shock absorber at some times, and if the spring is broken, you can see the damage too. And of course, if there are so many rust that the shock absorber is broken too, this is indicator for damage too. So you can check it by your own. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.